So really what we're looking at here is when the system fails, how much data prior to that failure are you going to lose? And the recovery time is how long from when the system fails up until you have it running again. How long will it take for you to get that restored and everything back in place? And the recovery time objective is really the business goals for how long that should be. And this is a complete copy of your database. All you need to restore a full backup is the file or files that were created as that full backup process. It's a single step. You just start the restore, and you can do this, and we'll go into details in our demo in a little bit, but you go into SQL Server Management Studio, you can go find the file, hit restore, or you can build a script with a single command that says restore database, and you specify the file, where it's going to go, where the data files go, things like that, and it runs, and when it's done, your database is back.
And because logs should usually be more frequent than what we've done with differentials or fulls, in a real production environment, I would probably schedule them to run every 5 minutes or maybe every 2 minutes. Maybe a little bit less frequently depending on how important it is to get a really low recovery point objective. Next, we go to the toolbox. We grab a backup database task. We're going to drag that in. And we're not going to bring in the cleanup job this time because it's too frequent to be cleaning up the transaction logs every time they run. So we can see there's a column here that shows we have full backups that ran at 11:05 p.m. last night. We have differentials that ran a few minutes ago at 4 p.m. And we have a log backup that ran even closer to a few minutes ago at 4:10 p.m. Restore the entire chain back to the last full or last differential. And here's an example showing the restore script that we can generate using Database Health Monitor. This little screen that I built here in Database Health Monitor was sort of the inspiration for this automated script that will run at the time backups go, that will build something like this, where it'll restore your database, it'll apply the diffs, it'll apply the transaction logs, it'll get everything in order so that if you have to do a restore, all you have to do is open a file, uncomment a few things, and run that restore script.